Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Whether you're a student, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, time is one of your most valuable assets. The good news is that AI can now handle many repetitive tasks, helping you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Even better, many of the best AI tools are completely free to get started.
In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 free AI tools that can save you hours every week and make your work much easier.
Let's get started. At number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI tools in the world, and for good reason. It can help you write emails, generate business ideas, create content, summarize articles, answer questions, and even help you learn new skills. Instead of spending hours trying to figure something out, ChatGPT can give you a great starting point in just a few seconds. Number 2 is Perplexity AI. Perplexity is like a smarter search engine. Instead of showing you hundreds of links, it gives you direct answers and includes the sources it used. This makes research much faster and helps you verify the information quickly. If you're a student or someone who researches often, this tool is worth trying. Number 3 is Canva AI. Canva has become much more than a design platform. With its AI features, you can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, logos, and marketing materials without any design experience. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Number 4 is Grammarly. We've all made writing mistakes before. Grammarly helps you correct grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even suggests better ways to write your sentences. Whether you're writing an email, an assignment, or a social media post, Grammarly helps you sound more professional. Number 5 is Notion AI. If your notes and ideas are scattered everywhere, Notion AI can help organize your work. It can summarize notes, create task lists, brainstorm ideas, and keep your projects in one place. It's an excellent productivity tool for anyone who wants to stay organized. Number 6 is CapCut AI. CapCut isn't just a video editor anymore. It now includes powerful AI features like automatic captions, script-to-video generation, background removal, and AI-powered editing tools. If you're a content creator, this tool can save you hours every week. Number 7 is 11 Labs. Need a professional voice for your videos but don't want to record your own? 11 Labs creates realistic AI voiceovers that sound incredibly natural. It's widely used by YouTubers, educators, and businesses around the world. Number 8 is Google Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant. It helps with writing, brainstorming ideas, research, coding, and answering questions. If you already use Google services, Gemini fits easily into your daily workflow. Number 9 is Microsoft Copilot. If you use Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, Copilot can help you create documents, analyze data, summarize reports, and build presentations much faster. It's like having an AI assistant built directly into Microsoft Office. Finally, at number 10, we have Claude. Claude is excellent for writing long articles, analyzing documents, brainstorming ideas, and explaining complex topics in simple language. Many people prefer Claude because its responses feel natural and detailed. So, what should you take away from this list? The goal isn't to use every AI tool available. The smartest approach is to pick 1 or 2 that solve your biggest problems and learn how to use them well. Over time, those small time savings add up, allowing you to focus on more important work while AI handles repetitive tasks. AI isn't replacing people who are willing to learn. It's giving those people an advantage. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these AI tools are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Earnivate, and turn on notifications for more videos about AI, online business, and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.